The OnePlus A6 is shown to come in a familiar red box, come with a charger, a USB-C to USB-A cable. The OnePlus A6 is the other flagship phone that is scheduled to launch with the OnePlus 15 in China on October 27th. The device will be available in black, white, and silver. Only the silver edition has the ACE branding imprinted on the back panel. The device will weigh around 214 grams. The A6 internationally available 15R. OnePlus share OnePlus A6 some camera samples. The phone could offer a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide on rear. It will feature an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus A6 will feature a 6.83-inch display with a 1.5K plus resolution and Dolby Vision support, ports a 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. The handset, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipsets, will come in up to 16GB per 1TB. The A6 also features a new Ice River cooling system with VC heat dissipation and aerospace-grade materials to maintain stable performance. It is confirmed to pack a massive 7,800 mAh battery with 120W superfast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.